Let's embark on a journey to Mars, where survival is an art and each day is a miracle for survival. Want to discover how to thrive on the red planet before you move? Stay until the end for guaranteed survival. Let's dive in. In recent years, more and more people are talking about colonizing Mars. So what should you do here if you successfully immigrate? To survive in such a harsh environment? Your support helps us create daily videos exploring the wonders of space and beyond. Thanks for watching.